not the phone company.
The transaction is failed. Why?
Everybody can use this, so you can't see
Yeah,
the balance.
yeah.
But how do you know your balance? How do you know? Can
You
you
don't
can you
have to.
check on your phone? How do you know your balance?
The way landlord put this house, you can't know the balance.
No, that's
We
not.
just come, then you see the electricity go. No
That's not
electricity.
good.
That's how it works.
But that's not
for
good.
that one, because that one is very expensive. The other one you use in the room is very expensive.
Right.
For the particular. So the landlord cannot just buy every room with this. So he just buy one to serve every.
But how do you know that they're not using your power? Like when they
No.
use power, how do you know?
If I have that credit, if I pay this credit here,
Yeah.
then I went to plug in his here
Uh-huh.
in his room.
Yes.
The power will gonna come there.
I understand, but you still can't see when you plug it in his. He's still gonna see
I
your.
want-
He
yeah.
he doesn't get to see his own credit. Nobody can tell how much they're using.
Yeah. No. And if I
That's
pay
not
here,
good.
if I pay here, then instead of going to put this thing and enter those number here, I have to. You can't just pay then you enter number without connect in the power. You can't send.
Yeah, I understand.
You
I
have to
understand
connect.
that.
So when I pay, then I've not send the numbers. Then I went to this neighbor and connect there. Then I will not pay this electricity. I will pay his electricity.
Oh. So that's not good.
Sure.
You're saying if that's not good if
Yeah.
you put in
Yeah.
the payment information but you don't send.
Yeah.
Oh.
So when I put there, they will have. But if I put here, it will be mine like this. So you go to your phone.
Okay. All right.
Let me try if I have to.
But they should tell you your balance.
Kenya Power?
Yeah, I think that's crazy. They don't tell you the balance. You know that you cannot know your balance. So you don't know whose balance this is right now. We don't know.
Sometimes no balance there, but that thing is just right here. And this thing also.
You would. Yeah. Are you
By
sure?
the time I come here, this thing.
Oh. What if you run out of batteries? Do you need batteries to make it
Even
work?
This one, I'm the one who buy it. That's why I have this thing in my house because I'm the one who bought it.
What about when somebody else comes and says, "I need this to get power"? Will they come borrow this from you?
I just help him, but.
Gotcha. Will you take the batteries out, or will you keep? You say here you can use it.
I'm not a bad lady like that.
Okay.
You go to Lipa na M-Pesa.
What does lipana mean?
Lipa na M-Pesa. Pay with M-Pesa.
Got
Lipa
you.
na M-Pesa.
Okay.
Lipa is paying.
Okay.
Lipa is Kiswahili, paying in English.
Gotcha.
So if you say Lipa na M-Pesa, it's pay and M-Pesa.
Gotcha.
Pay and M-Pesa.
Lipana.
So you go to pay bills. So, I don't know, pay bills, yeah. Pay bills. You enter account number. Account number, business number of Kenya Power in Kenya.
Is 5 8s and
Wow.
a zero, I think.
How many eights?
I did it at 5.
5 0.
You need 5.
Yeah. You go this.
Now let me ask you something. Even anybody could come in here and pay your power bill. They could. All I need to do is put in that number
Yeah, and my account.
and your account.
Yeah. Then we're gonna enter the account. Account is 37.
It's on your paper.
16. I just want to confirm some. 16. 79. Wait. 79, 76. 76, 84, and 9.
Okay.
Let me see. Then I will put like 100.
So let's see how much. This is gonna change. This is gonna.
Let's see.
it's gonna change.
Then
So right now, if you put
let me see
100,
if they're gonna change. By the way, I have to see.
it's 5.98.
This is what you can do in your country. Off.
But if you
not
write
very easy.
if you write it on a piece of paper,
Yeah, I'm gonna write it. Just want to see. I'm gonna write it.
actually you should keep it in different places. So the
You know this one, even if I'm in Nairobi, you know, let's say, and they tell me, oh, Pamela, there's no electricity, you know. Then if I have this, I can pay when I'm in Nairobi.
really
Yeah,
for yourself or for somebody else.
I pay for them. I'm in Nairobi.
Oh, okay.
There's no electricity.
Because
pay.
you
After pay, the code numbers they will send me. Then I send it to them.
what if you don't have a cell phone? Like what if you don't have airtime on your phone? Can
No,
you still
that's
get
not
the
you-
message?
Yeah.
You still get the message.
Yeah. There's no to use the airtime.
Okay. But what if somebody's in another country? If I'm in the U.S., then I can't because I have to I still need to get the message through Safaricom, so I wouldn't be able to get the message. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure. You got
I could pay through M-Pesa, but I still wouldn't get the message.
This one, even if I have money in my account, my bank account,
Yeah.
you're gonna pay. In bank account, okay, let's pay. Now you can see.
Yeah, I think you should put that in your phone though, or write it down.
Okay, so we have to start. You can see the way I'm paying.
Yep.
Yale binadamu siyaweza.
The screen brightness.
Yaweza. Yale binadamu. 16, 17. I miss Maureen.
Is she coming back today?
I will tell you if I'm coming back.
Or she might just go all the way home.
Her bag is there.
Her brother?
Her bag is there. You understand?
No.
Her bag.
Her bag is in
Bag's
Kalifi?
there. Here.
Oh, so she's got to come back.
Yeah.
She'll come back.
Maybe can. I don't think who gave her the money to go to Kalifi and
Her
you know,
boyfriend.
ladies, I don't know. How can you meet someone for the even if do you know the meaning of boyfriend?
Somebody gave her the money. You know, women can find money.
Let me tell you, it's very dangerous to meet someone just for the first time, then you go to this place. It's very dangerous, my friend.
I know. Especially for a woman.
I'm gonna fight there. Hey, how about make a story? This I
057
6057
4813.
4813.
Yep. And it says token amount $39.99. Okay.
Is it not wrong? Is it
Connect. So it just went up a little bit. It went up to 5.
It was 3.
Oh, and it went to 49. But now it's going up to 11. This is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
It
I
went
didn't
from
realize that you can't show the word.
So this balance did change.
Yeah, sure.
So this is your balance.
Yeah, sure. I have 11.
Now 11 might for me in that apartment, I probably used 7 in 2 days.
Yeah.
And this is kilowatt
how much
hours.
Did you leave?
Well, the last day I will admit I ran the fans a lot. I mean, I already paid for the power. You know, I paid for 27 credits worth of power. You know, I didn't worry too much about it. I left about 20. There was about 20 kilowatt hours on there when I finished. So 100, yeah, that's about right. 100 bought you about 5 kilowatt hours.